All right, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Hansy, aka the Real OG Crypto. Just wanted to get a video going for how to add a ERC20 custom smart contract to your MetaMask wallet. We'll go over a couple examples, and by the end of this video, you should know how to do this and add almost any ERC20 token to your MetaMask. Um, yeah, so if you've bought in tokens in the past, you don't know how to add them, this is a good video for you guys. So what I'm going to do first is log in. I've downloaded MetaMask from the Google Chrome's web store. Make sure that it's the correct one, that there's enough reviews on it, and it's usually the first one, the one of those that looks like a Firefox, like a this guy right here. So let me open this up. And brother, here it goes. All right, so let's log in. Um, for the first time users, you might want to create your new wallet, set up your new 12-word passphrase, and password. And once you log in, it'll be a fresh new wallet with zero balance on it. Let me go ahead and sign in since I've already created mine. Okay, so we unlocked the wallet, the private key or password. Now we've got so I've got a little bit of Ether and some Hex tokens. I do recommend having some Ethereum on your MetaMask wallet. So if you've bought Ethereum from Atomic Wallet or from Coinbase or whatever exchange, you might want to transfer some over to this account here. This is your account, so this is your you can copy your Ethereum 0x address here, but you would send crypto to this address here if you wanted to receive Ethereum under this wallet, and then that way you can move some tokens around to other wallets and things like that. So anyway, so I'm gonna first token I'm gonna add is this token called Beat Conductors, BKTZ token. I think they have a cool project. I've looked them up on Instagram, and they have a really big following for it's a hip hop community, and they're looking to do audio, video, NFT streaming service. But for hip hop and or for songwriters, vocals, artists, um, yeah, they have some painters as well. So it's a pretty cool project. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use blockchair.com to search for the smart contract, the ERC20 token, right? Um, you could also use Etherscan, but I like to use this one because this one shows up with almost every result. I mean, there's just this will show you the right ones, and this one seems to be the only one that displays. So we're going to click on that. Seems to be the right one. 13 transactions. There's 8 billion tokens in circulation, it looks like. Created on June 7th, 2020, the smart contract. And here, this ledger, you can actually, or this explorer, you can see the source uh, address and then to the destination address. So from which wallet to which wallet, so all these are from to, um, and this is the smart contract address here that you want to copy, right? Right under the be connectors, right under the description here. All right, so then copy that. Let's go to the MetaMask wallet, and we're gonna add this custom token. All right, what you want to do, because I've noticed is you can't really stretch this window out. Just click outside this little white area here and scroll down. Like, see, I've already added the tokens already. So let me go ahead and remove these so I can show you how I did it again. Okay, so take this one out too. This was actually a pretty cool project too, LED. I'll tell you about it in just a second. Um, all right, so let's click outside little area here. Let's add token. All right, so we're going to copy this address here and paste it under this custom token contract address box right here. It's going to automatically, once you paste it, it's going to automatically fill in the ticker, BKTZ, and the decimals. Then you hit the next, and then you hit add tokens, and boom. If you were to have tokens, you can send them from right here, right? You could swap out tokens too, and actually from here, I believe you can also look up the transactions on Etherscan. Yep. So let's go to Etherscan. So you can just take a look at this platform, this Explorer. It's very similar to Blockchain, just another ledger explorer, public ledger. From address to address, timestamp, all that good stuff. And here's the smart contract. Actually, this should be this one over here. One second. Here it is. This is the smart contract. We just clicked on Be Conductus, right? Let me look up another one here. Um, let me look up, add that LED token again. This one, this project here is pretty cool. It's a smart wearables rewards smart contract. So they basically reward you for working out, which is kind of a good thing, especially right now and during this pandemic. People are kind of lazy and not really doing much and just kind of staying home. They don't want to work out, but they want to make money, right? So this is actually pretty good. So copy this smart contract address here. Looks like there's like, is that a billion or a trillion circulation? But anyway, anyhow, this is the smart contract was created May 26, 2019. This is how many in circulation, from address to address, how many tokens they've transferred. And we're going to add this guy too. Let's see. Okay, so click on this little area right here, and then use the down button here, add token, custom. Sorry, I'm working from a laptop. That's why it's all right. Here we go. So now you see how it automatically filled in the ticker, the symbol, and the decimals. So that seems to be the right one. You're gonna hit add tokens, and be careful because sometimes these addresses or these tokens get spoofed. Um, so here we go. All right. So once we do that, it should automatically add it. Yep, right here at the very bottom. So you see that. And again, I can use this same address here, which is my Ethereum address. Copy that. If I wanted to receive any tokens, or if I'm joining any airdrops, or sending from another wallet to this wallet, right? Like a Trust wallet or Atomic wallet, I can use this address up here, copy it, and then input that in the other wallet, right, to send to this wallet. So that's pretty much it, guys. Again, you can pretty much search for any. Let me look up Polkadot so I can show you guys here. Yeah, so here, dot, here's another one. So dot, this is 0x. Now, not all of them are going to be 0x contracts. So the 0x ones are usually the Ethereum based tokens, right? So we're going to copy this one here and go back, add this custom token, scroll down again, custom token, paste the address right here, boom, dot. So add tokens. Now let's go back. Now let's take a look at the list here. Yep, all there. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you on the flip side. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video, and thanks for watching. Have a good one.